Carrot halwa is one of the most popular Indian desserts. But it is also made with a lot of dairy and processed sugar. But not this one. Welcome to Millionaires Club. Let's make a healthy Gajar Halwa, which is made without any dairy or processed sugar. Let's get straight into it. First, we need about 4 cups of shredded carrots. These are about 2 large carrots. Shredding carrots is relatively very simple task. Never mind. And since we are not using any oil or fat as a cooking medium, it is really important we use a heavy bottom pot to avoid sticking and burning. At this point, it is very important to keep the flame medium to low. Add a pinch of saffron. Not only it gives it a nice aroma, it will also enhance the overall color. Now we will cover the lid and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. This will allow the carrots to cook in the steam of their own liquid. Usually khoya or mawa is added to carrot halwa. But since this is a dairy-free recipe, we will make mawa with cashews. So let's finely grind 1/4 cup of cashews. Now that we have made cashew powder, let's make our mawa. Mawa basically is reduced milk, which adds richness and contrast in carrot halwa. And now we will add few drops of coconut milk into cashew powder, about 1 teaspoon, and mix it all until it resembles a crumble. This is now ready to use. We will set this aside to use it later. Meanwhile, give a gentle stir to your carrots as these start to release liquid. While the carrots are cooking, let's make dates paste. For this, we will make a smooth paste of chopped pitted dates with about 1/3 cup of water. We are not using any processed sugar in this dish, so we will use dates and jaggery for sweetness. Now let's make a smooth paste of these dates. Our date paste is now ready, and now it's time to check our carrots. About 15 minutes have passed and our carrots look just about ready. Let's give them a gentle stir and add our dates paste first. This might appear to be a lot of date paste, but remember it was made with water, so it's not that sweet. And now we will add about 1/2 cup of powdered jaggery or gur. You can adjust the amount of jaggery as per your preference of sweetness. Mix this well into the carrots. And let's add 1/2 cup of coconut milk. Coconut milk will not only balance the overall sweetness, but also the natural oils of coconut will bring this halwa together. As our carrots are simmering in this coconut milk, let's add a pinch of cardamom powder, about 1/3 of a teaspoon. And then add about 1/2 cup of chopped mixed nuts of your choice. Let's fold in our cashew mawa and save some for the garnish. Cooking the carrots for little longer periods of time can make them discolor. So to avoid discoloration, we need some sort of acidity, which in this case, we're adding about 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice. This much amount of lemon juice will not affect the taste in any ways, but it will help retain and enhance the color of the carrots. And for added aroma, we will add few drops of rose water. Cover the pot and let the carrot halwa sit for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, turn off the flame and your carrot halwa is ready to be served. Just because this carrot halwa was not made in the traditional way, the taste and the quality was not compromised at all. It's even tastier and healthier. You really have to try it to believe it. And like always, if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe, share, and until next time, stay safe and stay blessed.